What are you talking about, Google? How do I... Damn it, woman. I need to get on... No, that's pedestrian only. I need to get on down here. When are you gonna learn, honey? I'm working on it. Okay, now you're on board. Okay. Oh, nobody wants to get up early on a Saturday and exercise? Is the trail mine? And the homeless people? We ain't got no speed limit today. This is such a weird looking thing under a bridge. And like, I feel like people should hang out here or it should get more traffic, but it doesn't. Oh, you did say sharp right. That is a sharp right. Okay. What, like on to Spear Boulevard? I don't want to be on Spear. Are you kidding me? No. No, Google. What the fuck? No. Oh my God, are you serious? You just put me on Spear, bitch. Oh my God, you're lucky it's Saturday. I'm lucky it's Saturday. Wait, shut up, Google. I want to be on this side of it. You're so stupid. Shut up. See, that's my train. No, that's one. I want it. Yeah, I've arrived. Now you're on board. I need my train to go this direction.